Did you get batteries in there? Like
yeah.
better batteries?
Yes, I did. Sun's glaring the camera. You don't want the camera to be glared.
Yeah, I hated shooting that way.
Yeah.
The sun is just all up.
Where's Skylar? Oh, he's on that team, isn't he?
Skylar's
Oh, he's right. Jesus, he's right there.
Wow.
WTAF, sir.
What the ass
Not working.
What the anal? No, what the actual? What's he doing? Sniper?
Yeah.
You better hurry.
Run, Skylar, run! That's beautiful.
Almost let go!
Helping Skylar.
We'll save you, Skylar.
He's been saved now. Game on. Nice.
I think my battery died.
What do you see, buddy? Whoa.
Is this medic tagging or?
Yep. Make a tag ends with 2 lives.
Other way. They're flanking over here.
Oh, good God.
He's way back.
No, let me know if they start coming up front.
There's one by the
way back there.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Hey, there's 2. Alex and another kid are going by the back, and then there's a kid by the deer stand.
Stack up, guys. Stack up. Working? Just shooting now. They shooting at you.
I don't know what the hell the deal is with this thing.
Oh, see, is that Tony? Yeah, just.
I hope I don't shot it.
Oh shit. I almost got him. Is he out? Or is he just walking?
Camera over here too. I'm going out wide. No blind firing.
Hit? Yes, no. It's the same guy. Yeah, I got him. I like sniping now.
When it's a good gun, it's hard not to like it. Where'd these 2 go?
What?
Why do they keep moving when they get hit?
No, he's still right there.
He just moved around the corner. He's still there.
Hey, we got Tony over here. Yeah, that's what he's talking about. Jake's back there. See him? Yeah, I see him. Man, I really need. We need to go. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna run up that way, and it should be pretty easy. The only guy I'm worried about is the guy with the AEG. Hide behind the tractor. I'll cover you. Tony, see him? If you can move up here, you have the shot. Tony up here. Tony right there. Yep, get him. Hey, watch out there. Hey, Tony's up. Watch out, Tony's there. I'm gonna move up to the tractor.
Where is he?
I'm moving up to the tractor.
Camera. Just stay in the area, Colton. Yeah, that's good. Right there.
Hey, dude, I think they're still up there.
Did you get Hunter too? Oh, you didn't get Hunter. He's hit.
Oh, he's hit? Oh, shit, I thought that was you. Sorry about that.
Where's Brandon? Where's Brandon?
Alright, is that everyone?
No, where's Brandon?
Alright, guys. Yeah, keep spread out. Don't be clumped up.
I could have sworn they're down here.
Just spread out more. Don't clump up like that. If you hear a shot, get down and run at those guys because we don't want them getting back in. How was that? Was that you?
What?
Did you just say something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hold on a sec. This is pretty much the highest point. Let's see if we can wait for what's going on. Alright, let's move up to the bunker. Anything?
No.
Alright, keep it going. They probably flanked really far around, so. Shit. You don't have a scope or anything that zooms on your gun, do you?
No.
Alright. Okay, that's the guy who's already dead. Alright, those are our guys. We did a sweep. They must have gone way farther out.
That's them right there?
Yeah, that's our guys. Shit. I think the best bet would just be to sit somewhere and wait for them to go get them, even though that's kind of... But if we go out looking for them, we're going to get fucked, because we have a ton of terrain to cover, and 4 guys. Do they have an auto?
That's game.
Oh. Don't.
It's going in the video now.
Fuck you.
That too.
We're gonna play another game or?
Yeah, I think we'll get one more game in. Do it. Don't do it right next to you. Let's do it, Colton. Go for it. Hold down. Oh,
Ruined my fun!
do it again! We were about to come out and get you, and then it didn't work, so we had to go back in and find another one. We come out and you're just here. That hat really works. I don't know why I like it. Where were you guys?
We're way the hell back there. Whoever the three people were on the hill between their spots.
I get tired of winning, have to come in and
Yeah.
take food out.
But then they told us nothing to come back.
We had a guy do. Dalton, didn't you do that one time? They had him covered in leaves and he did not move until they got close. Matt Pedersen! God. I don't know. Where are you supposed to be at?
I'm looking for the Hooters.
No, you're way off.
Oh shit.
There's no boobs within 1,000 miles of here. Now, sadly, there.
Fuck you for you're thinking about putting this shit at my house.
What the you told?
No, I never told him. His parents told him.
What the hell, Scott?
Damn it. You want to play a game?
I don't have anything.
We have everything.
I don't have anything.
We have everything for you
Get out.
to use.
Go park this truck.
Alright.
Park it at the bottom of the road. Back all the way down. Matt, you look like you're a little tied up.
Just because I caught it.
No, it's not tied up. It's not. No, I'm just pointing at you and talking while I film you. But it's not.
I'm tied up in the enemy camp.
$1 a slice.
Would you like a last light?
Whoosh.
That was lit.
Good shit.
Oh my god.
I need a hit, man. I need to get through this shit. Weak. Very nice. That's actually working.
Kick him! Kick him!
Oh, no. You guys are dragging his head on rocks.
That's so not cool.
You guys are dicks.
Assholes.